Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get free Moonlight Crystals in Heartopia. So in order to get the Moonlight Crystals, you're just going to go to your watch and go to the mailbox, and you will get this. Wait, is it? Okay, this one. It says compensation for maintenance update. The maintenance has been completed. Here is a gift for DG members. Thank you for your patience. Don't forget to claim your gift before it's too late. We hope you enjoy your time in Heartopia. You will get 10 wishing stars, 300 moonlight crystals, and 8,000 coins. Claim that, and you can use those moonlight crystals to get this one, which is new. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's... Wait, not here. Sorry. It's here. And if you go to the Pure Fun section, you are able to purchase these. I don't know which one to get, honestly. I don't really like the hat, but I like the outfit. It's cute. But this, I can get a full set of. Well, I can get two, but I can get the other one, but I can't get both, you know? So, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!